Hello guys. In this video, I am super excited to show you this cool slider animation using Prototype in Figma. So, let's get started. Take a frame. I have taken Android's small frame. Give it a fill color. I have given it yellow color. Create a new frame of 290 pixel width and 18 pixel height. Give it a fill color. Also give some radius value. I have set it to 10 pixel. Create a rectangle of same width and height. Give it same radius value, which is 10 pixel. And now give it a color fill. I will give black color. Now select frame 1 and rectangle and put both in one frame. Now make it vertical center align and also horizontal center. Make sure to do clip content for the frame too. Create a circle of 30 pixel radius. Give it a color fill. I will give red color. I am going to do some fun with the circle. Duplicate this circle and reduce the size. Give it a lighter color. And add some effect whatever you like. Now select both circles and create a group. Put it on the left side of the frame too. Make sure to put it out of frame too. Now create a rectangle. Give some radius value to it. Also create a polygon. Give it a radius value of 2 pixel. Rotate it by 180 degree. Now select rectangle and polygon and make a union selection. It's time to write some numbers. 10, 20, 30, and now 100. Make sure to put text center align. Make it frame selection. Do clip content. And resize the frame. Put it inside the union. I have to increase the size of the rectangle. It is not looking good. Yes, now it is fine. Select number frame and union. Now make it frame selection. It has become frame 4. Now select frame 4, we will call this number. So select number and circle and make a group selection. Select group 2 and frame 2. And make it frame selection. Drag it outside of the frame. Create component. Add a variant. Now from second variant, select the group 2. And move forward to the end of the frame. Change the number to 100. Go to first variant and select the rectangle and drag it behind the circle. We have done clip content for this frame in the beginning, that's why rectangle is not visible in the left side. Now go to prototyping. Go to first circle and connect it to second variant. It will be after delay of 1 millisecond. Smart animation and ease out. Now select second circle and connect to first variant. It will be same after delay of 1 millisecond. Go to Assets and drag the component to the frame. It's time to preview it. It is working. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.